Hi everybody, this is Mike. I did obtain a new boat. Uh, Here's a photo of it. Been working on it, cleaning it up. You might remember my old John boat. It was green when I took it out a few times at first, but I did some work on it. I painted it up. Here's a photo of it and put some new seats on it. Went out a few times in it like that. Uh, and then I saw this new boat, so I sold the John boat, put a little bit more money with it. Got a good deal on this new boat, I think. And here's what it looked like when I first test drove it. Pretty dirty, pretty tired, but I could see a lot of potential in it. I liked the way the motor sounded. I liked the way it drove. So I decided to get it and did a lot of cleaning on it. And here's what it looks like now. And there was a boat under all that dirt. And here's a video of some of the dirt that was on it. Dirty floors. Sides of the boat are just really dirty. Lots and lots of dirt. Yep. Got some cleaning to do. We have some cleaning to do. This is a dirty boat. I'm trying to get it cleaned up. I've already cleaned up here in this area. It's looking a lot better. Still a lot of dirt though on this boat. So I did put a lot of work into getting it cleaned up, and I've been doing some other work on the boat, and I've been enjoying it, been taking it out some and just trying to, continue to clean on it, to improve it as much as possible. Got a really good deal on the boat. First time I went out, one of the first times I went out, I had to rescue somebody. Here's some of that video. They were having motor problems. Rescuing these fellows up here. He waved me over, said he was having motor problems. He didn't want to be stuck out there today. So I'm following him back in. He wanted me to follow him in. That's what I'm doing. My first trip out, I'm going to have to rescue somebody. That's okay. And here's a beautiful sunset shot that I took. A lot of beautiful scenery that you'll see, when you're on a boat like that. So I'm going to continue to clean on it and work on it and try to improve it, enjoy it, probably fish off of it some. So stay tuned. Thanks for viewing today. Do like and subscribe. We'd appreciate that very much if you would. And do check back in and kind of stay in touch and see what we're doing with it. If you have a boat or you're thinking about getting a boat, look for those deals. Go through places where there are a lot of boats, and sometimes you might see a for sale sign or something and be surprised at how little they want for it. If it looks good, you might want to purchase that. Thank you again for viewing, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.